now we'll do question number 2, part number 1 and of exercise 5.3. So here a series is given. Why we call it series? Because you will see here the sign of plus. So in this series we have to find out the sum up to the last term. So the series first we have to show it whether it is an AP or not. If it is an AP, then we can apply the formula for the end terms of AP. So for checking that whether it is an AP or not, what we have to do, we have to subtract these two terms, then these two, and then so on. If difference will come same, that means this is an AP. And if difference will not come same, then we cannot apply the formula for the sum. So for the first difference, that is 10.5 minus 7. This will, I can write it as 10 2s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. And you can take LCM here, 21 minus 14, and that is 7 by 2. So the difference of first two terms is 7 by 2. Now we'll subtract the next two terms, 14 minus 10.5 means 10 then 1 by 2, and it will again 14 minus 21 by 2. Take LCM. LCM will be 2 and 14 2s are 28 minus 21. Again you'll get 7 by 2. From the first two terms you'll get D as 7 by 2. Next two term D is 7 by 2. So because D is same, so that means this is an AP. Now A is, the value of A is 7 and D we have already find out, that is 7 by 2. Now we have A, we have D, and we have to find out the sum up to the last term. But what we don't know that what is the number of this term. Because if we want to apply the formula, we should have n, and we don't know that n. And we don't know that up to which term we have to find the sum. So for getting the value of n, first we'll take the help of this 84, and because we don't know that 84 is which term, so let us suppose that let 84 is the nth term. That means let an equal to 84. So if an is 84, apply the formula for an. A plus n minus 1 into D is 84, and A is 7, n we don't know, and D is 7 by 2 equal to 84. So now we'll solve it. You can take common 7, 7 and 7, so you can divide the whole equation by 7 so that the calculation will be easier for you. So this will be equals to 7 ones are, again 7 ones are, and 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Now you can take this one here on right hand side. So n minus 1 into 1 by 2 is 12 minus 1. That is 11. And this implies n minus 1. This 2 will go there on that side. So it will be 11 into 2. And now what you will have, n minus 1 equal to 22 and n is equal to 23. That means you have to find the sum up to the 23rd term. So we'll have to apply the formula for Sn by taking n equal to 23. So as I told you that we have three formulas for applying this Sn for finding out the sum of n terms. But here we know the last term, that is the 23rd term. So it's easier to apply the second or the third formula. So I'm applying here S equal to n by 2 A plus L. Why I have taken that? Because I know that 84 is the last term. Here last term we know that is 84. Now put all the values here. N we got 23 by 2. A we have 7 plus L is 84, and this will be equal to 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84 is 91. When you will multiply 23 by 91, that is equal to 2093, and divide by 2. So if you want to convert that into the decimal, you can. Otherwise, you can leave your answer up to here also. If you divide, that is 1046.5. So this will be the answer of the first part. That's it.